Sick of tired vacuums? Are you struggling with pet hair or carpets? In this video, we reveal the best vacuum cleaners of 2024 after putting them through rigorous testing. We'll cover cordless wonders, powerful uprights, and amazing features to find your perfect cleaning match. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Detect Pro Cordless Auto Empty System. The Shark Detect Pro Cordless Auto Empty System is the top vacuum for most people, offering advanced tech and versatile cleaning. It ranks highest among cordless vacuums, with powerful suction and up to 60 minutes of battery life on a single charge and recharges in 3 hours. While cordless vacuums usually have less power than corded models, the Shark Detect Pro still performs well and provides untethered convenience. It converts easily into a handheld cleaner for added versatility. This model includes a self-emptying base station with a large dust bag and anti-odor technology, simplifying maintenance. For a lower price, you can opt for a version without the self-empty feature. Overall, it's an excellent all-rounder. Check our Shark promo codes page for discounts before buying. Number 2. Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. If you can afford it, Dyson's V15 Detect Absolute is the best vacuum cleaner available. It's ranked #2 on our list, mainly due to its high price, but its performance and features are unmatched. The V15 boasts 14 cyclones for powerful suction and filters 99.99% of dirt up to 0.3 microns. A standout feature is the built-in laser, which highlights invisible dirt and dust on your floors. The battery provides up to an hour of use per charge, and auto mode adjusts suction power based on floor type and dust levels to conserve energy. The V15 also features an LCD screen displaying the remaining runtime. While it can be noisy in full power mode and has an average-sized dust canister, its overall performance justifies the cost. Look for a Dyson promo code to save on this impressive vacuum. Number 3. Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum. If you're on a tighter budget and don't need a super lightweight option, consider the Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum. In the UK, it's known as the Shark Stratos Pet Pro Anti-Hair Wrap plus Anti-Odor Upright Vacuum, code NZ860UKT, while in the US, it's simply the Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum. Upright vacuums have their pros and cons. They are heavier and less maneuverable than cordless models but offer powerful suction, a large dust canister, and affordability. For versatility, you can convert this upright vacuum into a portable handheld for stairs and under furniture. This vacuum is excellent for tackling hair on carpets, thanks to a specialized tool. Additionally, the anti-odor technology leaves a fresh scent after cleaning. It's a great budget-friendly option with impressive performance. Number 4. Dyson V8. While Dyson's newest vacuum cleaners are impressive, they're also pricey. However, the Dyson V8, launched in 2016, remains an excellent choice, especially for carpets. It offers impressive suction for a cordless model and comes with a versatile range of useful tools. The big draw is that you're getting Dyson engineering at a more accessible price. The V8 can be used as an upright with a long stick or as a handheld with a shorter nozzle. It's lightweight and comfortable to use, featuring Dyson's signature technology like a brush bar with polycarbonate vanes to remove tangled hair and 14 cyclones for reliable suction. However, the small bin may not be ideal for larger homes. Despite its age, the V8 continues to deliver strong performance and value. Number 5. Shark Stratos Cordless with CleanSense IQ-IZ 862H. Previously holding the #1 spot on our list, the Shark Stratos Cordless with CleanSense IQ-IZ 862H might be an older model, but it's still an outstanding vacuum cleaner. It features a sensor that detects how dirty a floor is and adjusts suction accordingly, known as CleanSense IQ technology. You get up to a full hour's cleaning on one charge. In our tests, we were impressed with the suction capabilities, especially its ability to remove hair from our couch when used in handheld and boost mode. The innovative multi-flex wand, which bends rather than just extends, makes vacuuming under furniture easy. The rotating head is effective at picking up dirt in awkward places, although the dust brush wasn't as impressive. Reasonably priced for a high-performance cordless model, the Stratos is worth considering if you're looking for the best vacuum cleaner around. For more options from this Dyson Challenger brand, check out our roundup of the best Shark vacuum cleaners. All right, after all that cleaning chaos, there can only be one champion. And the winner for the best vacuum cleaner of 2024 is the Shark Detect Pro Cordless Auto Empty System. This machine empties itself, leaving you with nothing but sparkling floors. But hey, every home is different. If you have specific needs, check out the links in the description for more details on all these amazing vacuums. Happy cleaning!